Assalamu alaikum Zay.
Alaikum salam.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Alhamdulillah, I'm happy to be here seeing our investments. It's good. The cattle are multiplying. And thank you, Muzay, for the guidance in teaching me where the money is.
Yeah, man.
Of course, everyone has their own investment strategy. Some will put in bonds, but I've seen the fruits of the cattle. I came here, I bought 3 cattle. Now they are around 8 or 9 in the space of 1.5 years. So I'm happy. I know it's a public holiday, but we can't stop working. And this is our family legacy, and our job is to maintain it and know what our forefathers are doing to be able to maintain their legacy. That's it from me.
Yeah, man.
You see, some of these things, unless you enter it knowing what Muzay is teaching about the crossbreeds, they are good, but they come with a challenge. So one of them is blind. So these are things you will never know until you enter it. So people will tell you, buy this one of 30 liters, but yes, it's 30 liters, but you do not know the price you have to pay for it.
Sure.
So it's good to have the numbers and spread your risk, just like what we are doing in our workplaces.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So, this is my son. I always talk about these issues, and you don't think. Many of you normally ask me a lot of family legacy. What is your succession plan and the rest? This young man, when he finished his A-levels, worked on the farm with me. We have walked this journey for over 10 years with him. He is in the corporate world. And I would like this message to be sound clear and fair. There is a lot of this talk that when you are employed, you can't be rich. I have been employed for over 30 years. My son is in the corporate world. He is working and is going to continue working. That business that you work for a few years and you leave your profession, or else you will not become rich, those are fake ideas. This is my son. He has his corporate job, but he also invests. Ekyo banaye tukitegeere nti osobola okubeera n'omulimu ate nga bw'olina ne business ku side. Ono mutabani wange simwagaliza kibi, naye omulimu gw'akolamu ono bank manager, naye ate n'ente n'okulima alima. Kati abo abawa nnyo amagezi nti no tebakozesanga myaka mingi. Wakakola emyaka emeka? Yakakola emyaka 9 in the corporate world. Naye abo benda babawa amagezi myaka 2-3 ng'oddukayo. Ebyo byammwe families zammwe bwe zibanga it cannot handle corporate world. The resilience tugirina okukola. Ono omwami yeegulira ente ze. Yagula ente ze 3 ku sente ze zakola ku mulimu gwe. Kati akubuulire ziri 89 mu mwaka 1.5. Ffe famire yaffe bwetyo bwekola. Naye buli muntu akole kyawulira kyayagala. Naye okupapirira okwo okuvanga ku mulimu. Nze mutabani wange njagala akulire mu banka paka managing director. Kuba nayo twagalayo abantu. Buli muntu yenna bw'anaalowooza okwekozesa yekka, ani anaatukolera wano? Ku faamu yaffe tulina abakozi 7. Abamu bamaze emyaka 17. Kati buli muntu lw'onaakolangayo akatono n'ogamba nti va ku mulimu gwo. Kati olwo ani anaatukolera kyekyo?